Welcome to my channel, SAP Careers and Job Seekers Group. This is Sam. Today I'm going to talk about, is it important for you to get certified, or can I get a job without certification in the SAP world, right? So the answer is very clear. Yes, you can get a job without SAP certification. However, if you want to do a government job, you want to go to a autonomous body, or you want to do a provincial or a state government job, or a municipal or a city job, they would have a matrix where it talks about skills and experience. So, and they'll give you points against each of these metrics. One of them is, are you certified? It gives you just the extra bit of leverage in terms of getting that job in certain organizations which are related to government, and certain public sector organizations which want you to look at the certification as part of your selection criteria. So though certification is not required in order to be successful in the SAP world, it's a nice to have thing in the SAP world, right? So I got certified many years back as a SAP Enterprise Architect, and then I did CRM and BW certification, as well as wrote training manuals for FICO, MM, SD, PP, QM, and then also system administration, as well as business analytics or BW. So I got trained on those, but I was not certified in all the modules, but I did get the enterprise architecture certification, which kind of touches upon all the business process integration areas. Now, also, if you want to get into a project management, it's nice to have a PMP certification. Again, I'm certified as a project management professional many years back. I look at project from more of a project sponsors standpoint. I don't do projects as a project manager or a director anymore, but we have a team which does project management and project director or a client partner for our clients. So certification is not a prerequisite for getting a job. You can be extremely successful to get a job and be a success in your career without getting a certification. However, out of, let's say, 100% of the organization, I think 20% will need a certification, and it's always great to have certification. There's an easy way out to this. Let me tell you the secret, and that's you can go to opensap.com and you can do a free certification. They also have some associated certification, which is giving you a certificate as associate consultant. So those are important, and they also give you certification of participation. There are also other portals which give you those certificates. Ourselves as SAP Technologies, we have access to Learning Hub, and you pay $300 to get certified with one attempt. You pay $700 to get certified with 6 attempts, and you can actually go and do the 6 attempts in different certification. Do not have to do in one certification. Now, many years back, the percentage of passing used to be much higher. I believe it's more lenient. There are also brain dumps and a lot of resources available, which gives you the exact questions. Those are going to come in those certifications. It's like more the previously asked questions from brain dumps from people who have got certified. So it's much easier to get certified now than the days a couple of decades back when we used to get certified. Now, again, it's nice to have. It is a great tool to have to get that entry into certain organizations to which consider that certification as a shortlist criteria. Most organizations will rely on your practical skills, on your process experience, on your domain experience, and the number of projects you have done. So typical SAP consultant should have minimum 2 full life cycle project, which is right from requirement gathering to go live and support. So requirement gathering, documentation, configuration, testing, go live, data migration, and support. But it's not a mandatory thing for you to have certification. But once you have gone through this process, 2 projects life cycle, and maybe 1 upgrade or enhancement cycle, and 1 rollout or support project, operational support project where you handle trouble tickets, then those 4 kind of or 4 or 5 project life cycles, so 2 full life cycles, 1 upgrade, 1 support, and 1 rollout. Those 5 would be the major ones which will really help you become a successful in the SAP world. So reach out to us. We are available at careers CAREERS at sapsol.com. You can also log into our portal, which is the placement portal, www.hirerig.ai, as well as our college, which also helps you transition from a business side, right? So if you are a salesperson, you are a production planning person, you are a materials management warehouse person, or you are an accountant, or you are a human resource professional, or you are working on a shop floor for a factory, or you are in a pharmaceutical industry doing some manufacturing or FDA compliance, we have a career path for you through a training program offered through our college, and that's www.mlccollege.com, or reach out to our account management team at www.hirerig.ai, and they'll be happy to help you out and run you through your journey. Now, the consultation is not charged at all. I think there might be cost for yourself if you want to kind of get access to certain paid portals, and you want help from certain senior individuals who help you transition into the journey of SAP. So reach out to them and they'll be happy to help you transition your career from a business side to a SAP consultant. But again, training is one part of it, certification is the part of it, and then project experience is very, very critical, period. Without project experience, you cannot and will not be successful in the SAP world. So reach out to us, we'll be happy to help you out. And please like and subscribe this channel. And this is Sam signing off for SAP Careers and Job Seekers Group. Thank you guys.